All right, guys, today we're going to show you two different vans. One is this Army Green 170 extended dually all-wheel drive van, and the one next to it is Santa Monica layout 144 all-wheel drive. By the way, hey, I'm up here. Hey, on top of the world. If you want to be on top of the world and want to see how it's done, watch this video, DM Big Bear Van so they can build out any of these for you. They're also for sale. But look at me. I'm 6'6", but right now I'm about 12 feet off the ground. The air is fresher. It's nicer. All right, let's get to the video. All right, now that we migrated from up top down back to the floor, as we can say, I'm gonna wanna show you the inside. Number one feature of this particular van is the electric sliding door with an electric slide out. This can either be an original option from the Mercedes-Benz directly, or it can be added on top later, depends which way you wanna take it. So first thing that we see, of course, is the beautiful countertop that has a pop out, so you can extend your working kitchen space. Another thing up top front here is a beautiful fold-out table for your little picnics, your little prep area and stuff like that. Do bear in mind that I'm just gonna go very quickly over the overview, and then Anna, who actually designs these vans, is gonna go more in depth about different cabinets, different stuff like that. As we go inside the van here, first thing you're gonna notice on the actual inside is the two swivel seats. Swivel seats can once again be either a factory option, we can spec it out for you and order the van with them, or in case the van doesn't come with them, they can be added aftermarket on top. That is not an issue whatsoever. There are many solutions for that. Moving into the van, remember how on the roof I told you the owner has two favorite things in this world? Well, it's a dog bed. This little area can fold out into a dog bed. In the first cabinet, you're gonna have a refrigerator. I don't know if you can see it from up there, but Anna is gonna show you a closer look later on. You're also gonna have an amazing feature, a water bowl built into the cabinet. Not just one, the owner has two dogs. So you're gonna have, only if I move the chair, you're gonna have two water bowls. And then another, if you close both of these, you can open all three at the same time. In order to flip out the bed, this bed flips out, two dogs can comfortably sleep in this area. For those of you dog lovers, this is an amazing spec. Make sure to remember that. Going forward, or you can say backwards in the van, if Arthur will join me on the inside, of course you have a bunch of overhead storage with lockable garments. You have a microwave fully, so heat it up, whatever. Your burritos on the go, you can do it. More storage as we go. If you lock it in place, it'll actually stay in place. There it is. You're also gonna have a fridge. Now, this fridge, the difference between normal builds and this particular one is the fridge is hidden. That's done by attaching the door of the cabinet to the fridge itself directly, and of course with a lockable latch so it doesn't open whenever you're driving. You're gonna have your normal sink right here with a flex hose. You can hose yourself down on the outside, bring it on the inside, open it up. You got a sink. More cabinets with propane on the inside. You may ask, why is there propane in this cabinet? Well, guys, in this particular build, you have a 3 cooktop stove as well as an oven. So home cooked meals on the go, yes please, I'll take it any day. Whenever you're not using it and you don't want stuff to be falling inside, you just close it up, push it in so it's not rattling when you're driving. Of course, you're gonna have more storage. In the van, it's essential to have as much storage as you can everywhere. Every single detail is thought out. Now, usually Big Bear vans, they put the control panel up front. Well, here, because there's a dog bed there, all of the control panels are towards the back of the van itself. So the magic button that everybody likes, the up and down switch, it brings the bed down. Let me kneel it down a little bit so it doesn't hit me on the head. And you can get a full size mattress.
Client's special request, which is very important for big bear vans, so we usually try to achieve everything the client wants. In this small space, the client wanted a full-size tall mirror to check on her look. And we were thinking, this van doesn't have any walls or any tall cabinets. Where to place it, how to hide it, a tall mirror. I will show you. So the mirror is hidden here, and you will never know that it's there. You need to click, and with this click, the mirror is released. It's a full-size real mirror. And now how to use it. So especially for Sydney, we're like genius, you know, we find solutions. You just push it here and you can adjust its height, and you can check how you look in your van in a full-size mirror. So also in this van there is a special space created for 2 doggies that are going to travel alone with their owners in this van. This bench is constructed, designed and done specially for them. First of all, they have their own fridge. So the human fridge is here, it's 3.3 cubic feet, and they also have a fridge right here where they can store all the doggies' food, and it works as a freezer too. So the second AC is placed right by the doggies' bed to ensure their comfort as well. And then we put 2 cushions. And now this is a couch or a dog's bed. So this is how it works. Again, the view from this area is splendid. And we are going to add the Lagoon table right here, so that not only doggies but also their owners can enjoy this front area as well.